Alright guys, welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel, and we've got a quick unboxing today. Now, I'm not sure how quick it'll be because it's kind of big, but this one's from Miner's Beard Company. They sent myself and Mo the Bearded Shark and Beard Times with Scott. I think they sent us out all of their fall scents, and a newer company, but they're coming out pretty strong with lots of scents. And cool things going on. So fall scent profiles, we got all of that. That looks cool. A lot of companies will come out with one fall scent, but it looks like they've come out with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I bet I'll find something I like in here. So we're going to be discussing all of these on our joint live stream on the Bearded Sharks YouTube channel. That will be on October the 1st, next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern, starting early so we can, because we got a lot of stuff to talk about. Anyway, we got lots of oils in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sesame Street days. That's how I got into being a math teacher, right? Following the count. Plus it reminds me of Halloween a little bit. And then we got the balms, and they're all wrapped up. And I will open one of those so I can just see the consistency of it. They're all shrink wrapped. And this one, pretty cool graphics and artwork on there. But this company started in 2019, so it's brand new. It's got a push top tin. And pretty firm, so at least looks to be at least a medium hold on that. And that one is the Sweet Pecan Apocalypse. That smells good. But I wanted to get the official smell from the oils, and then I'll go back later on and do a follow-up video for a lot of these things, or maybe one big fall scent wrap-up from all of these fall scents after our live stream. So this one is called Sweet Blueberry Thriller, and that one's supposed to be luscious blueberries with a dash of maple syrup. I don't usually think of blueberries being associated with fall. I think that's a summer fruit, but hey, I'm game. I like the sweet and fruity kind of scents. Yeah, nice warm kind of deep scent to that because of the maple. So it's blueberry, and then the maple syrup really kind of makes it a little more complex. So that one smells good. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. And this one is Psycho Spice. Really good looking graphics on there. That one is fresh pumpkin, orange, sweet coconut, and spices in a sugary vanilla base. That sounds good. That's good too. I get pumpkin and orange kind of at the same time, which is kind of an interesting combination. And then you get the vanilla and coconut on the base of that. That'll be interesting once we warm some of this stuff up and try it in the beard. I'll definitely give you a follow-up on how all this stuff works and the balm and all of that. So this one is the Sweet Pecan Apocalypse. I smelled that balm earlier. And I lost my knife. There it is. And this is supposed to be Pecan Caramel with a touch of fresh wintergreen. And I definitely get the pecan and caramel. I don't get a lot of the wintergreen, but it might just kind of lighten the back note up just a little bit so it's not so deep, warm, rich. That gives a little bit more lightness on the end of that. I like that one. I'm a fan of pecan pie. It's one of my favorite kind of fall desserts. Nobody's done sweet potato yet. There must not be an essential sweet potato oil. Maybe somebody squeeze a sweet potato and see if we can get some oil out of that sucker. And this one is the Sinister Cider. All right, and this one is fresh apple, cinnamon spice, and of course, a little moonshine. Because why not? Yeah, apple cider. Yeah, so and it's not too overpowering. So that one smells good too. That one smells more like you're, you go into the apple orchard to buy stuff. You're going to a fruit stand, or maybe even a fall festival, apple festival kind of thing. It smells really, really good. I like the way all of these smell. We'll be trying them out in the beard. We'll also, all three of us will be talking about it on the live stream next Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern on the Bearded Sharks YouTube channel. Hope to see you guys there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.